Today I'm making a vegetarian stir-fry. I'm Tess, and come join me as I make a Chinese mushroom stir-fry. If you like mushrooms, you're gonna love this meal. Stay tuned. We got these beautiful cremini mushrooms from our neighbor Scott. I have been busy making all kinds of mushroom dishes, and today I'm making a Chinese mushroom stir-fry. I'm taking a towel and wiping off the mushrooms and slicing them into quarters to keep them a nice size and bite. I'm also using some shiitake mushrooms in this recipe. I poured some warm water over the shiitake mushrooms and let them set for about an hour. Then I removed the stem and sliced. The stems tend to be a little firm. Just a reminder that you'll be able to find this recipe, the list of ingredients, and much more in the Show More section below. I've also included links where you can purchase online some of the ingredients and equipment that I use in this video recipe. If you have a chance, please check it out. Next, I'm going to make the sauce. I have some water and I'm adding in some light soy sauce, and you can use liquid aminos. Some sweet chili sauce, ketchup, can't forget the garlic, minced ginger, and finally some sesame oil, giving that a good mix. So let's get started. In a large pan or wok on medium heat, I'm adding in a little olive oil, the baby bella or cremini mushrooms, and shiitake mushrooms. Cooking and stirring for 4 to 5 minutes, and you will see the mushrooms will start to give off some water. Adding in some diced onions and red bell peppers. I kept the pieces a nice bite size. Cooking and stirring for another 2 to 3 minutes. I love pineapple in a stir-fry, and I happen to have pineapple that needed to be eaten. Cooking and stirring for another couple minutes. I really like the flavor and sweetness pineapple adds to a stir-fry. You can add any vegetables that you like. Snow peas, zucchini, carrots, and celery would all be good in here. Now I'm adding in the sauce. Giving that a good stir, cooking for another minute, and it's done. And it's that easy. Serving tonight with some steamed jasmine rice and topped with some chopped green onions and sesame seeds. I love the mushroom flavor and texture in this stir-fry. If you like a little heat, you could add in some red chilies. You can taste the individual veggies, and the pineapple gives it a pop of sweetness. I hope you give this Chinese mushroom stir-fry a try and enjoy. If you like this recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Steemit, Facebook, and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!